Hello, my name is Roman and today I'm going to show you 2014 Ford Raptor SVT Hennessey SUV conversion. As far as I know, about 400 of them were made, and this is number 11 out of roughly 400. It is basically the same Ford Raptor SVT, but it is an SUV. It has a barn doors in the back, just like an Excursion, and it has a third row seat. The truck is in very good condition, and I didn't see no scratches on the car, no dings, no dents. It has extremely aggressive look with those tires and those heavy-duty bumpers and those heavy-duty running boards. It does have a heavy-duty winch on it with a remote control too, and it does have a camera up front. There's one in the back as well. Let's check the inside real quick. Those seats, they say Hennessey on the top, and they are leather with cloth inserts, and the middle being perforated because they have air conditioner in a seat, so called. Just power seats with memory seat function. It goes back, let's see, forward, up, down, back, goes evenly back and goes evenly forward, and this is lumbar support. Not sure if you can see it, but the center does move in and out. These are the door panels. It does have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power folding mirrors. There's a power moonroof. 2 cup holders in the back, 2 cup holders in the front. Armrest. There is a manual for the remote for the winch, and the winch remote control in here. There it is. Okay. There are also 2 USB ports and a memory card slot for the navigation for this unit. This is 4x4 selector. Let's check the rest real quick. This is the second row seat, and this seat is powered. I think I need to start the truck in order for it to work. Quick. The seat goes back and forth, and it also goes up, and it also goes down. This is the famous third row seat that makes this vehicle different from every other SVT Raptor that you've seen. It has rear climate control with rear AC, 110 volts, and a cigarette lighter. This is the other door panel. Let's check the back real quick. These are doors. And this is the headliner. This didn't close all the way. Okay, this time it did. This seat is not power. This one is manual. It does have airbags in the seats. This is the driver, this is the passenger, and the driver has one, and the middle row also has them. Right here. This is the door panel. Forward, backward, up, down, lumbar support. Yep, it does move. And this is number 11. Okay, let's check a few more items, then I'll show you the engine and we'll go in a quick test drive. And this is the VIN number of the vehicle right here. Okay, it does have power pedals right here, power telescopic pedals. Yep. And they move in and out, well, vice versa. And it also does have power steering wheel controls. It goes up, down, up, and goes forward, backward, and forward. Engine. Engine runs very smooth and very quiet. Let me show you the roof real fast. Oh. And the truck is fitted with a Nitto Trail Grappler MT LT 315/70 17-inch tires with machined aluminum rims, and they're all the same, and they have plenty of thread left. And these are factory SVT shocks in the back. Okay, let me show you a few more things. Okay, which way? Mirror, left, right, up, down, power fold, right, left, up, down. Okay, sunroof, which way? This way. Goes all the way out and comes all the way back in. It also has tilt. Okay, right now it's tilted. Okay, what else? Radio works. Okay. It does have heated seats. Air-conditioned seats. I can hear it blowing. Okay, and I can actually feel it blowing. This is off-road mode right here. I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure what all those switches do, but they do light up. And this is the brake controller, and this is the 4x4 switch. The vehicle comes with 2 keys, 2 remotes, well, they're built in. Let's take it for a quick spin and see how it feels. Let me adjust the steering wheel and let me buckle up. Okay. Oh, this is the rear view camera. This is forward. Doors automatically lock. I assume these are some type of settings that can be controlled from the onboard computer right here on the dash. Brakes very, very well considering the size and the weight of the vehicle. It has very good, subtle, very strong pickup. I am barely pressing the accelerator and we are already doing like 50-60. It does have a compass right here, and also it shows the name of the road where we are traveling right now. Okay. Last but not least, we're going to do a quick check on the lights and the horn. And the horn works. It's just you have to press it like right in the middle. Okay. Let's check turn signals. This is some dust. Okay. Left. Right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day, everyone.